Now, what other tools do you have in place for your business that help you run the business behind the scenes?
So one of the things which accompanying the website is we use something called Jotform, which every guest who books, so as soon as they've gone through that process on the website of, whether they come from Airbnb, Booking.com, or going through our website, they'll get sent a welcome message, and that'll ask for a link to Jotform, which effectively is a Google form. We've found that since having this, it's really good for two reasons. One, it allows us to take the ID from a guest. We also check the reason for their stay, so whether it's business, leisure, seeing friends and family in the area, and we just grab some key bits of data from the guest, which is really important for us, both for us knowing what the guest is visiting for, so we can start to tailor, their experience a little bit more towards, if it's leisure, we'll send out a recommendation list. If it's business, we may not do that, and instead just ask we give them a call and see how long they're working in the area, that sort of thing. So that's a really good bit of tech, Jotform. The biggest benefit of it is it also hooks into MailChimp. So when they've signed up their email address to that, they'll have an option at the end to say yes if they want the latest news and promotions. That'll sign them up to MailChimp instantly, so it's all automated. We don't need to get involved with it. And then the first email that goes out to them basically will offer them a better price if they book direct. So if they have booked for, say, 2 or 3 weeks in the future for a stay, they've completed the form once they've booked, then the email that comes out will offer them a discount and also the benefits of booking direct. So early check-in, some Norfolk goodies on arrival, and a discount as well. So people from that may then decide to book direct. We get a certain percentage, not a huge percentage, of people who then decide to book direct. But the rest of them then start to understand that there is opportunities for discounts, whether they're booking now or in the future.
And for those of you that don't know Jotform, how do you spell it, Liam?
Jotform.
Yep, go check it out. It's free. It's basically the similar-ish to Google Forms, but it has that extra bit as well.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.